Healthcare is being reinvented in our community thanks to AtlantiCare's 6-year bold initiative, Vision 2030, that focuses on improving access to care, driving innovation, and ensuring healthcare meets our needs. Joining us now is Michael Charlton, President and CEO of AtlantiCare. He was recently recognized as one of NJ Biz's 2025 Healthcare Power 50 for his impactful leadership. Congratulations, and thanks for joining us.
Thank you, Robin, for the kind introduction, and it's great to be here.
You launched Vision 2030 last year. What are your main objectives, and what milestones have you achieved so far?
So Vision 2030 was really a transformational initiative for AtlantiCare in its 125-year history. The key tenets behind it were serving the community, which, is really self-explanatory. Our work within the community, the social determinants of health, increasing life expectancy, delivering world-class clinical care. Our education component and our affiliation with Drexel Medical School to bring a 4-year medical school into the region where we can educate, recruit, and retain the physicians of the future. We also had our affiliation with Oracle, which is a $100 million investment over the next 2 years in really creating some of that generative AI and world-class technology that will augment the great care that we're already giving here at AtlantiCare. And then obviously making sure that we're sustaining the growth of the organization. As an anchor institution within the region, we want to make sure that we're being a good steward of the community's resources while also growing jobs. Highly accretive jobs to improve the socioeconomic status of our region. So, all ambitious goals, but I can say we are well on the way of most of these objectives.
That is tremendous. And how will it make an impact to people in our community?
I think in multiple ways. I think if you look from the biggest lens outside is if you look at the region, particularly our county, life expectancy is substantially shorter than the state average. If you look in Atlantic City, it's almost 10 years. So, when we look at some of these initiatives, whether it's the technology component, we're bridging the clinical gaps that we have, bringing a medical school here to deliver world-class care. All of this is designed to make sure that we're providing world-class care to the community to make sure that not just their lifespan, but health span, which you work on every day with your program, that we have healthy individuals that can live a full and fulfilling life in our community. That's really the core of everything we do. It's bundled up in a bunch of initiatives, but at the core of it, that's what we're here to do.
Bold initiative, very exciting for the future of healthcare in our community. Thank you so much for joining me, Michael Charlton, President and CEO of AtlantiCare. And you are living well with Robin Stoloff.